नेम इज अवनी एंड मैंने 10th में ही ज्वाइन किया था सर के पास ट्यूशंस एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट माई एक्सपीरियंस वॉज रियली गुड लाइक रियली गुड इन स्टार्टिंग आई वॉज स्ट्रगलिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स बट सर ने काफ़ी हेल्प की एंड मोर दैन अ टीचर ही वॉज अ मेंटर टू मी आई मीन काफ़ी डाटा बट दैट वाज फॉर माई बेटरमेंट आई फील मतलब because of that only मैंने जो भी स्कोर किया I think that it's all because of sir only नहीं तो I could have never done this and yeah.
Hello, my name is Asmi and I started Anand sir's class in 10th grade and it helped me a lot because he's very strict and because of which I got that discipline to study every day, complete my homework and sincerely sit down for at least 2 hours and study. So it helped me a lot and thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharia and I joined his class in 9th standard. Everything really seemed impossible in 9th grade. Like science went like I have no idea, no clue how. And everything seemed easier when he stepped into my life. And his passionate, fun way of teaching just made it all more interesting and easier. And I would have scored nothing or done nothing if it wasn't for him. So thank you so much.
I am Arya. I joined Anand sir's class in 9th grade. Before 9th, I was really struggling with my academics. I was like below average student. But then in 9th, because of sir's good way of teaching, fun way in fact, I could like focus in the class only. So I did not study much at home in 9th and 10th also until January this year. So because of sir's class only, I could do this much in academics. So thank you. It was really fun 2 years, and now I'm still continuing in 11th. So I really liked it.
So hello everyone, my name is Anisha and I passed the 10th grade by joining tuitions with Anand sir for maths and science. और मेरा बोर्ड एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा गया, बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आए and it was very fun learning with Anand sir in the tuition also. And मस्ती के साथ साथ पढ़ाई के साथ बहुत मजा आता था. So thank you so much Anand sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Anya Joshi. I've been a student of Anand sir for the past 2 years and I would like to say he's a very good teacher. Like I don't think I would have been able to pass 9th class if it weren't from him. And even though I got less marks in his tests, but I got marks in my board exam thanks to him. So I would like to thank him very much for my success. Thank you Anand sir.
Sethi Thakkar. So I joined Anand sir class in 9th standard and in 8th standard I scored like below 90. But with sir guidance and support, I scored like really well in 10th board exams. So thank you.
Desai, and I joined Anand sir's class midway of 9th. My academics were already like average only. I wouldn't say I was a bad student, but he really did build up that foundation base which was needed, cleared all the concepts, and like he showcased some practicals as well. I still remember 9th ka wo wavelength wala practical, which helped obviously. So I scored nice marks in both.
I joined Anand sir's class in 9th grade, but 8th standard तक I was like 80-85%. लेकिन 9th standard में जब से आनंद सर से मुझे पढ़ाना चाहिए, I was scoring good in 9th I guess, but 10th मध्ये थोड़ा सा, but okay I got nice percentage in 10th standard, so thank you.